Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Sandry's Yard Style Cooking. So guys, today I'm coming with a little date night idea. Yes, for you guys, it's gonna be a little fancy, a little bit on the pricey side, but hey, you have to treat yourself now and then, okay? So what I'll be doing for you guys today, I'll be preparing some garlic butter lobster. Yes, garlic butter lobster. It's very simple, easy, as the name suggested, garlic and butter. 20 minutes, we're out of the kitchen eating fancy and all those stuff. Alright, so if you're interested to see how I prepare this delicious meal, let me go ahead and break down all the ingredients that we're going to need. I have 2 lobster tails. So what I did, I've already went ahead and cleaned up this one, butterfly it and all, and it's looking beautiful. So I'm just going to transfer it to my baking tray, and then I'm going to do the other one and show it to you guys. Alright, so we're just going to get this out of the way. This is cleaned up nicely and everything. Alright, so let's just set this aside and start on the other one. So we're going to need some butter. So this is 1 stick of butter, which is equivalent to ½ cup, as well as some fresh parsley. This is about 5 to 6, I think it was 6 garlic cloves. I've just went ahead and grated the garlic. The Jamaican in me will not allow me not to use my Scotch bonnet pepper. This is optional. Alright, we're also going to use some paprika for color, some black pepper, garlic powder, a pinch of salt, and I'll also be using some seafood seasoning, just a little bit. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to butterfly your lobster tail. Alright, so guys, I don't have a kitchen scissors, use my knife. Alright, so first thing first, what I like to do before, you can either remove these, I just keep them for decoration, so I'm not going to remove these. Alright, so there's this little hole at the bottom of the tail. I just like to get a skewer, put it in straight up, spin it around. Sometimes something will come out, sometimes, you know, nothing is there, and just pull it out just like this. So we're going to put that aside. Then I'm going to go ahead now with my knife and be very careful. If you have a scissors, it's very good. If you don't try this at all. Just me, guys. So I'm not perfect, but this is just my way of doing it without a scissors. So I'm just going to like this. And shell is cracked open, so I'm just going to go ahead with my knife gently. Oh, there's still another part that needs to be cracked. Right, and I'm going to cut it like so. Alright, now my shell is open, as you can see, so I'm just going to give it a nice little slit down and then flip it over like this. Then you're going to, so then with your thumb push it up like this, then come back around at the side like this again, then continue. So alright, now this is how we're going to get the meat. We're going to get that beautiful butterfly shell. Alright, so now we're going to pull the meat out like this, like so, and we're going to put back the shell gently. Please to exercise patience when you're doing this. Okay, right. Pull it out. Alright, now I'm going to pull back the shell like this. Then we put the meat on top and bits, all of it. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you just want to get that nice butterfly shrimp. Alright, so you're going to remove anything that's not supposed to be there. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to wash this off with some lime and vinegar, and then we'll start season. Okay, all right, so there you have it, guys, my beautiful lobster tail. So I'm just going to transfer this on my baking tray and then get started on mixing my butter and stuff, so we can go ahead and start baking our lobster, right? Alright, so I'm going to put this aside now and start mixing my butter, all those stuff together. Alright, so I'm going to put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds just to melt the butter. You don't have to melt it, you can go ahead and do it so, but I'm going to melt it before adding the other ingredients too. Now that my butter is finished melting, I'm going in with my crushed garlic or grated garlic. To that, my parsley as well, and you could use dry parsley flakes, as well as my scotch bonnet pepper. To this I will be adding about half teaspoon of seafood seasoning, and this is optional as well. Right, so that's that. Right, so we're gonna mix this together and look at that. Oh my gosh, that looks so nice. Mix it up like so. Right. Right, that's how it is looking, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna put this aside now. Now I'll be adding some salt. That's okay, that's about a pinch of salt. It's not even a teaspoon of salt. Going in with some garlic powder, and everything will be listed down below, okay? As well as our paprika for color, as mentioned earlier. And you could add some more of the seafood seasoning if you want to, but I will not be adding any. Alright, so don't mind that, guys. I will be cleaning it up as soon as I'm finished seasoning. Now we're going in with our garlic butter mixture. Alright, just going to brush that on beautifully. Beautiful. Ooh, this is going to taste so good. Ensure that it is seasoned all the way through under the shell. Oh, one thing I forgot, guys, to add my black pepper, but I'm going to add it as soon as I'm finished doing this. Right. Underneath. Get some on the shell, although we'll not be eating the shell, but we still need some on it. Right, underneath that. Ooh. Some more. Because we know that butter makes everything better. Yes, that's right. Makes everything better. Right, now I can go in with my black pepper. Pinch black pepper to that. Right, so going to add some more. That. So, right, and I'm going to clean up my tray now. Then I'll show it. Alright, so the necessary parts are clean up. That's okay now. So my oven is already preheated to 400 degrees, so I'm going to go ahead and stick this in, give it at least 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, once that is done, then we'll come back and we'll show you how our lobster is looking. There you have it, guys, my beautiful garlic butter lobster tail, fresh out of the oven. So I'm going to go ahead now and plate this up for you guys, give you a beautiful display. Okay, so there you have it, guys, my delicious garlic butter lobster tail. Trust me, guys, this is so tasty, flavorful, rich, mouth watering, you name it. I want you to go ahead and try this recipe and let me know how do you find it. Okay, as I mentioned, it's great for a date night, dinner idea, or you're just feeling a little bit fancy and you want to treat yourself to something delicious. Go ahead and indulge. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Take that from me. Okay, so today I'm serving it with some sauteed spinach as well as some mashed sweet potato. Okay, but you can serve it with whatever you want to serve it with. Alright, so guys, I hope you did enjoy today's video as much as I did. If you did, I want you to go ahead, like this video, share this video, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about today, or at least leave a suggestion on what you like to see me prepare next on my channel. Okay, guys, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Go ahead and do so and invite everyone you know to come on over and check out my channel, because you know that I have some great content and I'm enjoying preparing all of these lovely dishes for you guys. All right, so until I come your way again, something delicious from my kitchen to yours. Take care of yourself and enjoy. Bye.